Hello everyone, and welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're delving into a topic that's important for men's health: prostate issues. Whether you're experiencing symptoms like frequent urination, difficulty starting or stopping urination, or other concerns, there's one food that stands out as a game changer. Stick around to discover the number one food that can help alleviate prostate issues. But before we reveal this powerful food, let's briefly discuss why prostate health matters. The prostate is a small gland located below the bladder and in front of the rectum in men. As men age, the prostate may enlarge, leading to a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, which can cause urinary symptoms. Additionally, prostate cancer is one of the most common types of cancer among men. That's why taking care of your prostate is crucial. Now, on to the star of the show. The number one food for prostate health is none other than tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. These vibrant red fruits are packed with nutrients and compounds that can benefit prostate health in several ways. One of the key components of tomatoes is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their rich color. Research suggests that lycopene may help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and alleviate symptoms of BPH by reducing inflammation and inhibiting the growth of prostate cells. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes are also rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. But wait, there's more. Tomatoes offer a myriad of other health benefits beyond prostate health. They're great for heart health, thanks to their high levels of potassium and vitamin C, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Tomatoes are also excellent for skin health, as the antioxidants found in them can help protect against sun damage and promote collagen production, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. So whether you're looking to support your prostate, boost your heart health, or enhance your skin, tomatoes are a versatile and delicious addition to your diet.